In this video, I take a closer look at the Lacoste Baseshot Winter sneakers. These are built from a single solid piece of textured suede, so the upper doesn't use small stitched-together parts, just one clean, continuous panel. The lining is made from a mix of synthetic materials, and the insole uses 70% recycled polyester. I'll also show the key design details: the metal hooks and rings, the rope-style laces, the padded collar, and the rugged rubber sole. If you're curious how this pair looks up close, this video should help.